Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to make your Smule account private. Now if you want to make your Smule account private but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on your device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app, and this is the home page of Smule, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar like feed, explore, songbook, activity and profile icon at the very bottom taskbar. So click on the option of profile at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and there you'll see the option of become VIP, sing live, edit profile settings and all of it. So click on the option of edit profile. So to make your account private you just need to turn off this option which is show my online status. So simply turn it off, and after turning it off the person won't be able to see your online status and won't be able to see if you are online or offline. And after doing all of it you will be able to make your account private on the Smule app. So that's it. That's how you can make your account private on the Smule app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.